This is a life-changing experience. I just met a whole bunch of people from different backgrounds, stories, countries, languages.
This weekend has been a great opportunity for all of us as students at MDC to be innovative and to bring solutions to causes that are affecting our entire world.
We have to learn how to problem solve so that we can identify what we really want to solve.
So we have to learn all the context before getting into a solution about any cause, because we might be creating more and more issues around this problem rather than solving the root causes.
Change making really changed your life. It goes beyond the classroom. You actually want to get involved. You actually go out and say, wow, I want to do something. I don't want to keep this knowledge. I want to apply it to a real solution. And I really encourage everyone to try it at least once. You won't regret. Do it. Do it, do it, do it.